Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting now? Connect your phone and target screen to the same Wi-Fi network because mirroring streams video and needs bandwidth. Once done, enable Bluetooth if required for discovery and make sure battery is above 20% to avoid interruptions. Open your phone's Quick Settings or Settings app, then tap Screen Mirroring, Cast, or Smart View. You'll see available devices listed. This is how your phone discovers the display. Tap the target name to begin the connection process. Once you've tapped the receiver, your phone negotiates a stream with the display. You may need to accept a prompt or enter a PIN shown on the TV. Do that to authorize. After connected, open the mirroring controls to change orientation and aspect ratio so content fills the screen correctly, and set the audio output if it defaults to the phone. If you care about latency, switch to low latency or game mode when available. This reduces lag for games and live video. To finish, stop mirroring from your phone's Quick Settings or disconnect from the receiver's app. This cleanly ends the stream and frees resources. If mirroring fails, restart Wi-Fi on both devices, toggle airplane mode briefly, or reboot each device to clear network states. Make sure both devices have up-to-date firmware. Outdated software often breaks compatibility. If using an app like Chromecast or a smart TV app, try reinstalling it. This one troubleshooting tip usually results.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.